was complaining. All people don't have nothing. So from his home in San Fernando, he decided to call the radio. Do you have any music? Something nice and nostalgic. If you do, could you play a tune to take away the tears and cares of the day? I can't hear the big band song, they don't play them anymore. I long for the big band song. Don't mind a old and a poor, I long for Clarence Silver
Echoing,
Fitzbone Brian
echoing,
Sweet Cell Duncan
echoing,
John Buddy William. That music was divine, its memory has stayed behind. Echoing, divine music.
echoing.
Play something for the old. We old, my son, we echoed. I don't want to impose, but I miss those divine echoes. Don't want to impose, but I miss the divine echoes. Since the queen dead and left me, and my daughter get married, I live in here by myself alone. Thank God that I have the phone. I not one for complaining, but you must fix your programming. Like the radio here, it have seniors out here who can jump and wave in the air. I can't hear the big band song, they don't play them anymore.
I long for the big band song.
Used to fill them long time dance floor, talking about Princess Building,
Echoing,
the lodge in St. Madeleine,
echoing,
Fed Dog in White Land,
echoing,
and Good Samaritan. Those bright nights were divine. The music still blows my mind. Echoing, divine music. Echoing. That's why I want you to play a tune that will make my day. Make chapter soon go close, so bring back those divine echoes. Before make chapter close, let me hear the divine echoes. With young people, it is your time to rumble. But you just have show and we cannot go club, concert and casino. Then you have all inclusive, noisy, late and expensive. We are left in the lurch, not one show. If you search as if all we good boys, church, I can't hear the big band song, they don't play them anymore.
I long for the big band song.
And the dances we had before, I used to do waltz and mambo,
Echoing,
swing and tango,
echoing,
chick and salsa,
echoing,
foxtrot and cha-cha-cha. Those dances were divine. The music you could still find. Echoing, divine music.
echoing.
Young man, I'm begging, please, I get him down on your knees. I used to dance heel and toes to that music that now echo. Check your studios and bring back the divine echo. I can go panorama, no the Calypso fiesta. The shows are too long and I'm not as strong as I was then when I was young. And when I turn on the radio, not a jazz band or combo, the music that they shove can make you fall in love or help a man stay in love. I can't hear the big band song like I used to before. I love the big band song and the dances we had before. I'm talking about Frankie Francis,
Echoing,
Joey Lewis,
echoing,
Cito Fermin,
echoing,
what he wanted. Them fellas was divine with music to make you wine.
echoing,
Divine music echoing. When them young girls dress up and pose, if you see how much man propose to Mildred or Rose by dancing to divine echoes.
Echoes.
You could improve your shows if you play the divine echoes.